If you check most of the search words on YouTube is how to make money online. Like people are actually searching how do I make money online? Or you see on YouTube they say how can I go viral on YouTube? Yeah, that is the problem that a lot of people actually need solutions to. But me actually need the solution to a problem that I'm bringing to you. I'm Ben Malik. If you are watching my video for the very first time, tell me where you're watching live from. Are you from India, South Africa, or anywhere you're watching? Just go to the comment section and tell us where you're watching live from. Yeah, how to make money online. This is a serious topic that we need to talk about because people are getting to 2026 and a lot of people are still struck with how to make money on YouTube or how to make money online. Yeah, me myself, I want to make money online because I think to actually make money now, if it is not online, I don't think there is that any offshore or offline work that can actually generate an income for you. Specifically, there are things I think I found so making sense. I feel okay if one actually have the knowledge, it actually earn you more. You see the issue of AI generations. AI has come into existence and it is a source. It is a tool for making money for those who actually knows it and how to do it. Yeah, I've actually been finding it challenging and troubling on how to generate AI videos, and that is one of the reasons why I'm making this video. If you know or how can I actually make these AI generating videos, can you share for me in the comment section? Like, okay, tell me this is the best app to use if you want to generate your AI videos. I mean, free subscription website I can use without any sub or without any watermarks or anything. What do you think I can do? Or that okay, I can generate AI, realistic AI videos that can earn more money online. Yeah, because I feel in this 2026 now, it is a year that is coming that everyone actually needs to make that money. And me too, I want to make that money. So share me your ideas on how to make this money. Then aside that, I also made this point in my last video that okay, I want to start creating content because this is my channel now. I don't actually have a niche, so I don't know if I can actually start creating content for organizations, for companies, or anything, or anybody. If you're an agency and you need somebody to be generating videos for you for your company, tell me or just link me up in your comment section. Okay, meet me in the comment section and I'll generate videos for you whatever videos you want to watch, either pertaining to your health, your business, or anything that is for promotion. Tell me in my comment section, okay, how this is the company that I need to meet that okay, I can make videos for and I'll go viral. So tell me, or if at all you need a customer service support, or maybe you need a personal assistant that will help you to respond to your message or anything, I'm actually available for that. I think these are still online works that can actually help you do something. So I'm also a writer. I can write. So if you need a write up, just let me know in the comment section and how if you have the ideas of all these things and other things that can actually generate a lot of money for people. Don't forget to actually tell us in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching live from and what suggestion do you have for me. Till meet again in my next video. I'm Bin Malik. Support my growth with Bin Malik and I will grow with you as my audience. Thank you. I love you. Bye.